For about 9 years and under two governments, Australia has been denying asylum seekers arriving by boat full rights to appeal against government decisions made about them. That's enforced by processing them offshore, at the moment on remote Christmas Island. It's been removed from Australia's migration zone. But now 4 appeals to the High Court threaten to render that system obsolete.
Well, hopefully it forces them to reconsider that whole process.
Sydney lawyer Stephen Blanks is representing a Sri Lankan asylum seeker.
Christmas Island is part of Australia. Australian officials can only act there in accordance with Australian law. And so the basis of this case is that Australian law applies to what is being done here.
The debate over what to do with asylum seekers is one of Australia's most divisive. High Court action is not what the government needs in an election year, but the Immigration Minister says he's confident the appeals will fail.
Well, we think we've got very strong chances of success. Our legal advice is there's no proper basis for the challenge. We'd expect to win, and that will allow us to get on with determining the status of offshore arrivals.
Well, we've always said that the great risk of this government transferring people from Christmas Island to the mainland would open up that whole can of worms again of people having endless access to the courts for appeals.
At least 13 asylum seekers from Sri Lanka and Afghanistan are being represented in court, and many have had their deportation delayed as a result. Some refugee advocates say lawyers are now looking at a class action for a greater number. Jeff Waters, ABC News.